How you doing today? We have a wonderful little tablet over here on the ground. It is no longer working. We're going to open it up with a 357 Magnum. And we are live and ready to go. So we're going to set down and punish this little thing. Here we go now. Oh, she turned sideways. And I'm going to open her up sideways. Missed it. Hang on. Let's check that out. Yep. That one's empty. I have to switch guns. That one ran empty. Here we go. Oh, a little higher. Get her. Get her. And that was a miss. There you have it. Another little 357. Done. Safety checked. Let's take a look down here and see how the thing tore apart. Now, it looks as though I might have nicked it a couple times. Oh, yeah, way interesting. I think I found a battery. Well, whatever that is. It's a lot of holes. Oh, how's that look? Oh, pretty crazy right there. Oh, there's that wonderful screen all tore up. Little layers of something in there. Wasn't that some craziness? Well, there you have it. That's how you get yourself rid of a tablet in America. Catch you later.